Hey guys, this is Sylvia with Salsa with Sylvia, and we're back with the Salsa with Sylvia trick of the week. And of course here we have Super Mario, and today we're doing an intermediate one combination of footwork and partnering for you. So we're going to start with the footwork, and then we're going to break it down and then jump into the partnering. All right, so the first step in the footwork goes like this: 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. All right, let's break it down a little bit. So we're doing this, the footwork on men's timing, leads timing, which is how we usually do it in warm-ups. So we start on the left, cross over the right, 1, 2, and then you're going to step with the same foot that you finished. So you're going to step with the right, and 5, 6, and 7. So remember, you have to step on every count, and we have a little bit of and. So in between counts, we have another step. Here we go again. And 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, now let's face away from the camera and do this again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so let's talk about styling, how they can style this step. So for the ladies, you can do arms. So watch me, and for guys, you can watch Mario. Ready? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. So that's one idea. You could do that when you do your shines. All right, the next step. So after we finish this one, let's do this one again, and then we'll connect. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. From here, we're going to take a step back. So we start with the left, cross on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and cross the right. 5, 6, 7. So that's your next step. Let's look at just that second step again. 5, 6, 7, cross the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so as you can see, we're moving slightly back, and what we're doing is kind of pushing our weight back, and ladies, you can use that to look sexy, right? So from here, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you can push that booty back. All right, for styling, you can do arms like this. What would you say the lead for the arms?
Is just we need to put here.
Here, okay. Yeah. All right, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so the third step is actually connects to that second one. So we'll do it from the start and do the next step. Ready? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, we're going to do a sexy walk. So you start on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's the next step. Obviously, for the followers, for the ladies, it will be a little more exaggerated when you do your sexy walk, right? So stay low on this one, because this will be impossible. So you want to stay low, bend your knees, shoulders down, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So for the ladies, the sexy walk, we're trying to exaggerate a little more, make it more sexy, and for the guys, just watch Mario. Ready? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the last move that will finish the sequence, we're just going to cross left over right and do a little jump. 1, 2, and 3, and slide 6, 7. So that's the last move. Let's do it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. So obviously here for the slide, you can use that opportunity to style with your hands. So ladies, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. Do a little hair comb. Guys, you can do shoulders, yeah. All right, so let's piece that all together from the top.
Perfect.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And that's it. Let's do it facing away from the camera. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7. And that's it. Let's see what it looks like with music. 5, 6, 7, and.
Tell me, mama, is your life a better change?
And let's do it the other way. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
All the things that you wanted me to be.
All right, so that's your footwork for today. We're gonna jump into partnering. All right, are you guys ready for partnering? We're gonna do this. Remember, this is intermediate level 1. So to get to this level, you need to study at least the basic things like cross-body lead. That will help you a lot. All right, so for this first move, we're gonna start with the basic, and then we're gonna do what Mario likes to call a single entufla. And then we're gonna follow that with a double entufla. So let's see what that looks like. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Back break. 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so let's talk about this. What's usually hard for students for leads is they have to get used to the idea that they're doing a back break, which means you're stepping left, with your left going back. Usually as a lead, you always step forward on your left. In this case, you want to step back on your left, and not only that, but you want to create that tension so that when you go back, she goes back and you come back together. It's kind of like a rubber band effect. So we both go back. 1, 2, 3. So that's the tricky part about this move. Let's look at it again. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's the same thing on both sides. Again, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So leads, make sure you lead that by creating that. So pushing back gently, you never want to force the lady into anything. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you're basically crossing over, switching places. For the double entufla, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Pretty much the same footwork. We're gonna do it, let's do it on the other side so they can see the hand on the back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, here we go. 1, 2, 3. He puts his hand on my back. So that's the difference. Do you want to walk over the lead's footwork? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. All right. Again, single and then double. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Basic. 5. Here we go. Single, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Back, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. All right. So the next move, Mario called it walk in the park. So let's just go with that. It looks like this. 5, 6, 7. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to finish it with an additional turn. So let's talk about this step for a little bit. So for this move, we have to switch hold. So we're doing basically a handshake position, right? So just like that. Hey, how are you? So that's how you're going to remember this. From here, it's basically a crossbody lead. So I'm going to go on the other side. Let's look at that. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, as you can see, he's continuing the turn. So he's not letting me stop over there. He's making me go around. And from here, we go 1, 2, 3, and a turn with his right hand. Okay, now, in terms of the ladies' footwork, let me just break it down a little more. So you start with your crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and you over rotate 7. So you're going the other direction now. And from here you do another sexy walk. 1, 2, 3, and then you do your turn, turn, turn. So that's the footwork for the ladies. So you may want to try that on your own before you do it with a partner. Again, left to right, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And
For the leader, you can just stand up and lead the movement for the follower, or you can march in your step. For example, here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, march, 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 turn, turn, and march, and basic 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.
yes. Also, something else that's very important for the lead. So leads, when you turn her to go the other direction, you have to lead that walk. She's not just going to know to walk forward. So you basically, it's like you have to drive her, right? So you're going towards you and then out, towards you and then out again.
Yes, it's with the count of the salsa.
Right. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 6, 7. So that's very important. Don't just wait for her to figure it out. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, ladies, there are different ways you can spice this up. So I like to do this, actually let's do it the other way. Leg lift on the way here. So watch what this looks like. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5 right here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. You can do that. Actually, it makes it a little easier because you don't have to think about the steps so much. You basically release the left leg and you lift it up. Again, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. Let's put it all together without music, and then we'll do it with music. 1, 2, 3, single and tufla. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Double. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Change hands. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 1. And that's it. Let's look at it with music. 1, 5. Here we go. Single.
Is your life a better change?
Change hands.
And tell me, mama, would you live
1.
your life the same? Or come back and rearrange? Tell me, mama, how is freedom? Oh, I'm thinking of you, all the things that you want.
All right, so that was it for today. Remember, we did footwork and and partnering, and this was Intermediate Level 1 Salsa. We hope to see you again next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you react, comment, and share. And also, make sure you turn on your notifications so that you can be the first one to get notified when we post new content. Remember to go on our website, www.salsawithsylvia.com. That's where we post our classes, our workshops, and a lot of other good stuff. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.